At ICICI HFC, we are the multi-product company, starting from regular home loan, regular lab, micro lab, Apnagar and Apnagar Dreams. Now we already have the entire our policy and product suites ready. This year we are planning. In fact, we have already started the more and more micro level market aligned policy. We have clearly understood that all our branches are a unique territory in their own, and every territory has its own policy requirements, and that's where we are now coming up multiple micro policies. Couple of micro policies to just if I speak about, like we have the specific requirements for coming from affordable segment for Gujarat and Rajasthan markets that has been addressed via micro policies of Gujarat and Rajasthan. The plot plus construction policy requirement for UP, UK, as well as even for the state of Tamil Nadu. Similarly, Kerala also required a separate policy for their NRI customers. So these all are our policy team has designed tailor-made policies for the required territories. The technical policies as well as our legal policies also now fix to the transaction depending upon the individual territories. So as and when you find that there is some or other our standard Pan India policy is not ditto applicable, but you want some sort of alignment basis the market trends or market requirement, you can reach out to us. Uh, while we are while in our affordable segment in Apnagar Dreams, we have already identified the multiple segments, starting from segment 1 to segment 2 to segment 3 and segment 4. The segment 3 and segment 4 were our erstwhile AIP program. However, segment 1 and 2 are the new segments where we have introduced to a deeper affordable segment. While we have started seeing the early success, but we still feel that our penetration in segment 1 and segment 2 of Dreams is not as per design. There is a lot way to go. So one will be definitely connecting to each of the zones on making this how do we make the segment 1 and segment 2 penetration even far better. And also we also seek the support of branch teams to have an excellent penetration or deep penetration as far as our business segments in segment 1 and 2. Another important thing is the PMAY and primary sector PSL penetration. As of now, our PMAY penetration in our regular business is only 24%. And in case of Apnagar, it is 53%. In case of Dreams, it's 63%. The successful players in HFCs are having far higher PMAY penetration. So our target to have our PMAY penetration across portfolio to be at least at 75%. And as far as Dreams and Apnagar is concerned, it should be 95% plus. PMAY segment is a segment wherein actually customers are buying the house, their first house, and it is for the self-consumption. It automatically takes out the investors, and we have clearly seen, while we'll discuss in detail in our portfolio segment, the first-time home buyers, that segment gives a clearly a far better portfolio quality, and that's where we want to have the high PMAY penetration. As far as our PSL penetration is concerned, that typically all our home loan funding sub 30 lakhs should be a primary sector lending, and our entire lab to what we are funding is also a